This video will show you how to use this calculator here when you want to compare the results of earning simple interest versus compound interest. So this is for question E on your assignment sheet. And if you click on this link here, you'll go to a web page that looks like this. You'll want to scroll down to get to the interest calculator. And now let's skip ahead to this question here. So what you're going to do is put in these values into the calculator, and it will tell you what they're worth. So if we have $25,000, so we're going to put $25,000 in here at 6.2% interest for 11 years. Compounded monthly is the compound part. So for the simple interest part, you don't need to worry about this. And this is simple interest. So we'll hit calculate. And then we can see from here, the interest earned is $17,000 in interest. So we would put that here. And the total after that period would be $42,000. And we would put that here. Now, if we want to know what we'd get for compound interest, you're going to change the word simple to compound. And now it's going to open up a field and say how often is it calculated. And this one is monthly, so it's actually done for us. But if we wanted weekly, daily, or quarterly, you could pick from that there. So we're going to keep it with monthly. And we can see it's already changed the values here. So we're going to go, the interest earned is $24,000. Instead of $17,000, and the amount we have at the end is over $49,000, which is quite a bit more. Okay, so that would be that question there. You'll do that for each one of these. So remember, you'll start with simple, and that compounding period disappears for simple because it doesn't matter, and you'll put in the numbers here, and then when you want to get the compound interest, you will change simple to compound, and then that'll open up a field that asks you how frequently you're getting it. So for the yearly would be annually. If you're looking at this one, compounded semi-annually, you would change it to, okay, well, we don't have semi-annually here, so we can't use it for that. Monthly is there, weekly is there, and this one is monthly again.